In this video, I'm going to give you my review of the Anker Power Bank and also the Anker Power Strip. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Tech That Doesn't Bite. If you are about to travel, here are two items that I think you'll need because it will definitely help when you're traveling. So this is the Anker PowerCore Slim 10,000. And my first impression is that it's very portable and it only weighs about 7.5 pounds. Not only that, it also includes a carrying pouch and a micro USB cable. The Anker PowerCore Slim 10,000 has one USB-A port and there is a USB-C and micro USB port. Another thing I like about this Anker PowerCore Slim 10,000 is that the battery life is pretty good. I mean, I was able to charge my iPhone 12 mini from 5% to like 80 or 90%, close to 100 on my phone. And this Anker PowerCore Slim 10,000 was still at 100%. As you can also change this power bank to what Anker calls trickling charging mode. And this mode is meant for you to charge low power devices such as a smartwatch, AirPods or other Bluetooth earphones. So I definitely do like the battery life on this Anker PowerCore Slim 10,000. I also wanted to test out how long it would take to charge an older device. I purposely used one of my old iPhone SE I have lying around and see what it'll take to go from 0 to 50%. And it took about roughly 50 minutes to get to the 50% mark. So it definitely depends on the device you're using. And on Amazon's listing page on the for this Anker product is that it could take 5.5 hours to recharge this Anker PowerCore power bank if you're using a 10-watt charger. One thing I wish this Anker power bank did include was an extra USB-A port. I would have liked to be able to charge two devices simultaneously. And unfortunately, the USB-C and the micro USB port is not meant to be able to use to charge other devices. So it's only meant to be used to recharge the power bank. Now there is another Anker power bank that does allow you to use the USB-C port to charge your devices. And I'll leave a link in the description for you to check it out as well. And I also do think it's a little bit outdated to include a micro USB cable. I think it would have been better if they just included a USB-C cable. The next thing I want to talk about is this Anker Power Strip Surge Protector. And this actually came in very handy for me because I was actually traveling with some friends. And one thing that concerned me is that the place we're staying at, does it have enough power outlets? And this thing comes in very handy. The power strip comes with a total of 6 power outlets and 3 USB-A ports. I was actually impressed with how much this power strip can do because I had no problem charging my iPhone 12 mini, my Apple Watch, my Soundpeach True Air 2 Bluetooth earphones, and also recharging my Anker power bank as well. And my roommates also charged their power banks and their phones as well, all at the exact same time using this power strip. The 3 USB ports on the power strip uses Anker's own charging technology called Power IQ, which can also be found in the Anker PowerCore Slim 10,000 and also on their other units as well. It definitely charged my iPhone 12 mini at a faster rate than using the standard 5-volt iPhone wall charger. The Anker Power Strip also indicates whether the outlet you're plugged into has a ground and surge protection. It's also very compact as I had no issue putting it into my carry-on luggage. My roommates definitely appreciated the Anker Power Strip just as much as I did. But I do wish the extension cord was a bit longer. It's a 5 feet cord, but it still felt short to me. Unfortunately, on this particular surge protector, there are no USB-C type ports. Overall, I do like these two Anker products. It definitely did help me when I was traveling. Now, if you're planning for your next trip, consider these two Anker products on your next shopping list. My question for everyone is, do you own these products? Let me know in the comments below and tell me what has been your experience with them. And if you like this video, please make sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the bell notification so you get notified of new videos. And if you're looking for a Bluetooth FM transmitter, check out my review of one of the Anker products. And if you are looking for a way to connect those Lightning headphones to an actual computer, check out one of the adapters I review as well. You can find them all at the end of this video. And I'll see you next time.